What's going on, everyone? Today we're taking a look at the Fiskars. This is the detail knife. So we're going to take a look and test this out, see how it works. I like that it comes with a protective top, so just be careful. All right, let's go ahead and test this out. Depending on the surface, be careful, whatever surface that you are using. Oh wow, so that actually does work good. So I'm just doing this quickly just as a test, guys. Not trying to be perfect or stay within the lines perfectly. I just want to see how well this actually does work. Wow. Okay, so we want to go down a little bit further here. Okay. Okay. So that's just a rough, doing it really quick to give you guys an idea here. So that's cool. Let's see. Okay, you can use it for trimming up as well. Yeah, it works good.